ﷺ, the 30 parts, not from the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and also 60 Hizb, not from the Prophet ﷺ. Yani, we should not stick to the Juz Hizb. Okay? No, this is not from the Prophet ﷺ. This is later from the scholars. They divide the Quran to 30 Juz. It's not from the Prophet, Wallahu Alam. And also, yani, sometimes you'll find the Juz starts from an ayah not, yani, related with the previous ayah. Yani, when you read the Quran, okay, no need to stick to the Juz or the Hizb. You know, in the Quran you see the star or something like that. No need to stick to this sign, because sometimes it is in the middle of the story. So you should stop before or sorry, it's better to stop before or after. Okay? So not necessary to stop at the end of the page or in the sign of Juz or Hizb. Stop when the meaning finishes. Okay?